Alright guys, Smokey Outdoors. I was watching a video the other day of a man who paddled the 10-kilometre stream near his house because he said, you know, he goes the far and the wide to do stuff, and he says, but he's never done this stream in his backyard. He's gone the other way, he said, up, but he's never gone down. So I thought, I got work last night, the day I saw my son, so instead of going home, I set up camp in the backwoods behind where I work, and then I set to my hammock, and then I saw my son, and now I'm cooking my dinner for tonight for work and tonight for now. So I'm just trying to not burn anything because it's quite thingy. Anyway, some customers just saw me coming in the back, so they'll be like wondering what I'm up to. I've got some belly pork for now, some belly pork for tonight with rice. I've got my fresh steel frying pan, my US cutlery. I've got my solar panel running. I've got my Rough Rider knife and Beneath the Stars bushcraft teeth. Bit of a thing in that. I just got some dishes here for my hands. I bought some drinks. I've got some water for washing up with. That's my plate. That's my 28 litre British Army rucksack, which is the small one. That one. I use it a lot when I'm not wanting to be thought I'm out in the woods. So I'll cook these up in the spicy thingy, and then I can eat as much of this belly pork as I want, and then I'll do the rest for later. I put it in there, but I remembered I put the burgers in there last night, so it had a lot of grease in there, so I poured the grease and the sauce back into there, because this is doing a really good pretense of a barbecue. This is a new phone, by the way, new phone for me, which I noticed it's a lot smoother and a lot more stable than my last phone, so hopefully we get some better videos. Right, this happy little fat man is going to eat pork until he explodes. Hope everybody has a good weekend. Catch you later, bye.